just made $4,000 online yesterday on live stream with my free community. A ton of my members did the same thing with me on stream and replicated these same results. And I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do the same with one simple rule-based strategy. Before I continue with this video, don't put your money into this if you don't know what you're doing, as it can be super risky. But now that we've got this out the way, it's actually a very simple process. And how exactly did I make $4,000 in one day on live stream with my community? Let's dive into it. And what you're seeing on the screen over here is a cryptocurrency trading website. Now, before you go down in the comments and slash and say, look, this is crypto trading, it's too risky, not all of us can be profitable. The difference is I've been doing this for 8 years. I have a very simple 4-hour time frame mechanical strategy that has allowed many of me and my students to not only get funded and not only to get payouts, but to maintain consistent payouts on our income and to maintain consistent withdrawals. And I'm going to teach you the same very simple process that will equip you with this high income skill for the rest of your life. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to give you the name just in a bit, and I'm going to give you access and potentially the opportunity to win $50,000 in USDT on this platform. I've organized this deal just for you guys in today's video with this company called bitget.com, which they are doing an awesome giveaway and competition at the moment. So not only are you going to receive a really profitable trading strategy that I've traded with an 80% win rate live with my free community, I don't even offer a mentorship or signals or a group that is paid or anything like that, because I just couldn't be bothered, because I actually make full-time income trading. I couldn't be bothered putting effort into the mentorship side of things, and I just do it for free. My content is all for free, so enjoy it while the content is still here on YouTube. So this is the most recent trade I took on Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how you can look at tons of other different cryptocurrencies as well and trade them profitably. And if you remember, I first made a video about this company a couple of weeks back, maybe about a month ago, where I started my account with $500. This account today is now on $4,086, which is where we are sitting at today. And I haven't taken a single loss yet. And I'm going to show you the exact 2 trades that I've taken on bitget.com. But in order for you to take winning trades like this, you need to understand a simple concept and exactly how my strategy works. And this simple blueprint that you're seeing on the screen over here has allowed me to make well over $30,000 in my overall trading journey so far in 2025. And the best part is, every single trade is live streamed and documented for free. I've taken well over 5,000 trades with this model. It has about a 75% win rate, which is extremely high, extremely long-term, consistently profitable. Your job is to understand the strategy and then execute upon it consistently and build your own edge with it, which is not difficult. And I'm going to hold your hand and guide you throughout this entire video. So there's one of 2 things that's going to happen when we're looking at these cryptocurrency markets. The market is either going to do this or it's going to do this. When it does this, we execute and we take our trade. Or if it does this, we stay out. And it's as simple as that. And this simple 4-step process that I've created for you on the screen over here is what is going to allow you to let these profitable set of criteria decide when you trade. So no more trading on how we feel or what we think the market is going to do, or jumping in between different rules that we know has no proof of any long-term consistency and profitability. We now have a proven, profitable, long-term edge and strategy on our hands here. Like I said, and like I've taught hundreds and thousands of students that are doing the same thing. All of the websites and all of the platforms that I'm going to show you in today's video is 100% free. There's no hidden credit card signups. It's all free for you to use. Step number 1, I do all of my analysis on tradingview.com, which is a free chart working website. You don't need to sign up for the paid option. The free option is 100% fine, and that's all I need and all I use. My execution happens on bitget.com, which is a free cryptocurrency trading platform, wallet, and investment platform. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the first step in our story, in this diagram, in this flow diagram that is actually not difficult to understand. You just got to practice seeing it. And that's where I'm going to live stream with you 3 times a week to make sure you get this right and to make sure you come out on top and long-term profitable and equip you with the skill set for the rest of your years to come. Step number 1 is our structure story. Now, the way price moves is actually very simple. Price follows where the money lies in the market. We will protect strong lows in a bullish market with breaks of structures to the upside, pullbacks, those protected lows to be protected. In a bearish market, vice versa, price will protect those strong highs. Okay, we will see a pullback, break, pullback, break, pullback, break, etc. That is simply step number one, is identify our structure story. Now, I've made this really simple for you. I've developed my own structure indicator at Funded, which is my trading group, that will allow you to pretty much bypass this step, and it will pretty much spoon feed you the structure story of price, giving you clarity on exactly which setups to take to make sure that you get the same 75% win rate. If I point this out, you will see there's a few boxes on my candlestick chart, and this is how it works. All right, so here we had a break of structure, the pullback, break. There's our new strong low, pullback, break. There's our new strong low, marked out for you, the weak high, pullback, break. There's our strong low. What did we do? We broke to the downside. Strong high marked out, break up to the high side. Break of structure to the upside, new strong low, and our current high. So all this indicator is doing is it's marking out your most recent high and your most recent low. Okay, so now that we have our structure story number one, we move on to criteria number two. Did the most recent high or low sweep or take out a previous strong high or low? All right, so if we go back to the charts and we have a look here, simply all we're looking for is a low or a high that's taken out a previous high. So here we had a low that did what? Broke structure to the upside. Okay, if we look to the left and a little bit into the past, what did price do? It swept a previous strong low. Here it is, the indicator's marking it out for you. That broke structure to the upside. Price swept that strong low and then broke structure to the upside. So that's criteria number one, is a strong high or low sweep. Once we have that, we're either going to have yes or no. If no, we go back and we repeat. If yes, we move on to the next step. Once we've had that strong low sweep, I'll mark it out for you over here just to practice seeing it, and I'll go through with some more examples with you. We need to see the break of structure to the upside, like we saw over here. So now we have criteria number two. We have that break of structure, aka boss, created after the sweep. Step number three is very simple. You're going to take your fib retracement tool out of the tool section on the left, from the low to the high, after the pullback starts and after that strong low sweep, or the low that was created after the previous strong low sweep. Once we've done that, we need to find a candle, such as this candle here, that has created a volume push. So that is the series of three candles, candles 1, 2, and 3. And we need to see a gap between the top wick of candle number 1 and a gap of the bottom wick of candle number 3. So here we have a huge gap that this candle created up here. Let me mark this out in a different color. There's that big gap. So that is part of criteria number 4. So now we have that candle that has created the big gap after the strong low sweep and the break of structure to the upside below the 71 level fib. So this is the fib settings. All you need is the 0.171. All that needs to be valid here is that your order block needs to be below the 71 fib. Once all of your criteria is in place, we've got a yes, we set limits and execute. If no, we go back and we repeat the model until our criteria prints. So let's say now we have yes, we set our limits for 1 to 2 risk to reward. On smaller accounts, I like to go aggressive and I like to try flip them. Like I've now flipped my $500 account to $4,000. But obviously I do not recommend this if you're trading large investor accounts like I do when I trade for company accounts that is hundreds of thousands of dollars. You cannot be going 50% risk. Way too aggressive. But obviously we'll keep that for another video. For now, we're just focusing on growing our small capital with a very simple, profitable trading strategy. So now that you've got this simple diagram, you can take a screenshot, you can pause the video. I'm also going to give you free access to my live stream trading community where you can join me practicing seeing these setups every single day on the crypto charts. But now on Bitcoin, for example, once the setup and the criteria printed, I will come over to BitGet, set my lot size at the price, and obviously this was a buy opportunity, buy price once we get to this level of interest and where our criteria has met. All right, we wicked in, wicked out for a nice, so it's about a 400% gain on this trade. So it was a 1 to 4 risk to reward on this trade that I held for, risking pretty much risking the whole account because I just wanted to have fun, flip it. It was money I'm willing to lose because this for me, crypto trading is a much more aggressive, fun way for me to tackle trading. And the reason I can do this is because I have full confidence in my strategy. I've traded it for so many years. I've created so much success with it. And now it's just your turn to get some sauce. Okay, so now the next step is, if you want to learn this profitable strategy, I'm going to spoon feed you everything. I'm going to give you free access to my community, and inside the community, I'm going to give you free access to this BitGet competition, where if you start trading with them, they're going to give one of you a potential share of $50,000 in USDT. Okay, so this is what my community looks like on the inside. All of the live stream trades that I send, I set in the limit section with you guys. We also hop on live stream in the live stream trading section every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, 2 p.m. GMT +2. And here is the results of all of our trades. So most recently in 2025, we have taken 8 trades. We've won 6, lost 1, and hit break even on 1. So we've seen a huge gain on our accounts in the start of 2025. And that is just the edge showing itself, showing its proof, based on years of data that has been backtested and collected. So we have full confidence going into the market with this particular strategy. And it's really simple to understand, right? If you want access to my indicator, that will feed you the structure story. Okay, but before you get the indicator, I recommend understand how my higher time frame model works, which is in the higher time frame model section over here. Full 4-video course that will teach you each and every criteria and how to spot these setups to the T. Okay. Once that's done, that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. All you have to do now, and all your job is now, is to learn the skill set and to learn the simple strategy so that you can start executing upon it consistently. Otherwise, if you don't want to yet, you can just follow my trades, as hundreds of my other members do, and withdraw their profits on a monthly basis. All right, guys, I'll leave a link down below to the BitGet competition and to the BitGet platform where you can start trading cryptocurrency. There's over 20, 30, 40 different cryptocurrencies here. No, I'm going to say hundreds and hundreds of cryptocurrencies here. So there's an endless amount of opportunity for profit to be made in these markets with this simple strategy. I have not taken a single loss yet on my BitGet account trading my higher time frame model. Just been taking A+ setups with the criteria that I've just shown you in today's video. So I'll leave a link down below to the Discord and to BitGet. Take care. I'll see you guys on the inside.